looking at these electronic kwikset locks. I'm going to show you when the batteries run out, it's going to light up red like that. And also obviously it's not working. You might hear a whining sound like, and it's not unlocking or something. That's also usually the battery that is low. So the fact that it's lighting up red like that tells you that, and it's not working, it's telling me that the batteries are out. So what there is there's 3 screws. There's one here, and one under here. So we're going to unscrew those 3 and we're going to be able to take this off and change the batteries. There we go. Now we'll take that off. Now inside, you're gonna have this battery pack like that. So we're just gonna change those batteries out with some new ones. Simple as that. Now, it has little arrows here that tell you put it in this direction towards the door. So we'll do that. And we'll just put the cover back on. Put the 3 screws back in. All right, simple as that. See? And now it's green. And obviously it was working here with the door lock. And that is how you switch the batteries on an electronic Wi-Fi kwikset door lock.